All right, let's mix up the, we'll do the silver, the mini flake first. It's really old, but the flake, it's not like it's gonna go bad. I guess with the flake, there's a little screen in here. Let's see if we can, I think you can just pop these out. Maybe. Yeah, so you can just pop, oh, I guess there's a little tear tag on them. That's cool. Because we don't want the screen to pick up all the metal flake. We're trying to actually lay that down. And the guns, I like to try and separate my flake guns because that metal flake gets everywhere. And it's just impossible to clean every single little piece of flake. But so that's what I'll be using. It's a 1.3. We'll see how that works. Should be okay. So we'll just mix up 2 to 1. Real easy. And then dump a bunch of flake in and see what happens. We don't need much. Do 2 to 1. I guess you can see from the inside. Go up. I don't know. Even just that little 2. We'll just go to the 2 ounces and then up to the 3. So 2 ounces of the clear, Intercoat clear, and then 1 ounce of the reducer. Which is still gonna be way too much than we need, but this is custom work, and sometimes you just gotta waste a little bit of paint. So I went way past the 2. So I'm at 100 milliliters. So we'll just go up to 150. Let's waste a whole bunch. We got 150, so that's 2 to 1. So we got 100 milliliters of the SG100 and 50 milliliters of the reducer. So that's mixed up, and then now we'll just dump in some flake, see what happens. Yeah, that's a lot. It looks, and I like using the paddle, the wooden paddle. Wooden sticks, whatever you use, metal sticks, doesn't matter. But after you mix it up, just kind of pull it out there and you'll be able to see the coverage should be pretty good. So I like it. I'll go ahead and use that. And I have before actually poured the candy paint into the silver metal flake mixture. And it kind of turned, I did it with a, what was it? It was an orange color, a tangerine color. The KK08, actually, the candy tangerine. And it turned it like a copper color. So sometimes it actually changes the color somehow if you just spray silver and then put the candy over it, or if you actually put the candy inside of here. So keep that in mind. Yeah, looks good. So this flake gets everywhere. Sweet. All right, we'll just put literally like 2 dust coats of it on there. Doesn't take much. And then since it's so thin, it'll be, as soon as we clean out actually I'm gonna use this minigun, and that's what I'll put the candy in, and then we'll put the candy over this flake here. So we can roll right to that. It doesn't take but a couple minutes for it to dry. Sprayed the first coat down and waited, I think about 10 minutes. It's nice and dry. Go ahead and put that second coat on. Then after that, you just can't really put too many more on because of the thickness of that stencil. You don't want to build it up too much. So after that, then we'll go to the candy.